Hi guys, and never help when I ever possibly to me install Windows 10, RBT drivers, and also install applications on your computer. So, until you find the CB our computer, laptop, and asset desktop, I will fee. I will use now Windows 9 ready, and I virus a channel. Now, person will update, we try Windows for floor. I'm a air fresher, and never help when I first were you be install Windows now. You updated drivers, and also install applications that goes to back. Near you see there. Or buying fan come will be as on your mind. Yeah, be there. It is a follow video step by step. We will show video when we know which may why they're simple. But if I'm Chrisopo, my YouTube channel here, but your subscriber, not like in a share video more now for now or so who how I'm with me install Windows or pieces. So, until me send no, my family come pieces and I mention your first fire. Yeah. Into my own business, you know. If I say we need browser be our computer, so say that first of all you download your browser, and before I say you be come be mommy and chemo, you may be here say them kaya na, into say oh PC pen drive 8 gig internet access. Now your these three things there, na or say you start to say download them do by Windows no, into you be download Chrome browser, and I say any other browser be a Opera Mini and any other browser be a person use to be, but they then can prefer to be Google Chrome. Now you use any download free download manager. Free download manager, like maybe any say you download Windows now I'm say it's a 5 gig or something. Into no say all day or browser no come download do not say in case say when you power outage and then be as a computer do and I say be our data star and be and I say I was say what twice later. Now say what did the browser download there? So what's now start to download maybe. If you find so download 50%, now say BBC now all the browser download so now start free 0.1% SAS and the bar. Yes and now work waste data. This is free download manager there. And there we be download do I say be bedroom now say be data and say machine do one scramp na what's now so we have so then atwaso. And I use one download universal USB installer. And when I copy Windows no a good pen drive no so. I never copy Windows no pen drive. So pen drive is how copy Windows no so directly with the installation and you to say be universal USB installer no copy so. Now we are download do Windows 10 Windows 10 like so we are download now say I start the process now. It's no we send them call to the PC and so if I say mini browser be at me use Microsoft Edge and first of all I saw connected internet and my computer so only how I will connect or phone be connected internet and my PC comment section or na me who video small video be function how so will be Chrome browser now Google I say Google now first of all you download Chrome browser internet to your Chrome browser download now click on the first option internet you say you can download the Chrome browser to download your na other ones na come internet now. Okay, and this will be a market on download. I can download Chrome, accept and install. See, once a big dialog be to say, once I hear that I say or run, save or cancel, and I click on the run. When they say run straight, meaning download answer browser and then they say be running and run install my straight until see you know by train. For the meantime I minimize the browser. Minimize the browser on my desktop. you know. So when say and my script is may accept it for installation may accept it installation of Chrome browser and start it. So you download and install very quickly and then share and check the depend on the speed of your internet. No, so internet speed of format to be a I start it say download it. See a man a few minutes. Nti say Google Chrome download we are no be bia ma say and bia oba desktop and the icon that desktop same. Nti no say case say Google Chrome na bia oba na be bia no. Since let's go back to google.com and the second thing I say I say download free download manager. Oh. That's the next one say. See, download free download manager. Here's it. Need to know first option on my website na kasa need to click on the first option. Need to know free download manager on my home page market on download for Windows. So obviously there is Windows machine. So let's start here download what I say. It's no a possible video na my camera download video and really near to us. Nti your free download manager no I download where we ti me running okay kezo pe e be run nti no me ntwene e accept security no nti say in case e download na so mo hu be and also person be akwada ya be this PC and I say any folder be our desktop also no but downloads has it and one never has here go and downloads internet that it's already medical and that and I want to install for all users. That's the recommended. Then I'll accept the security. Click on next install. Very simple and so then you may be okay. You see, your free download manager and also install it. So let's go and look at the next thing that. Okay, the next thing you have to install, you have to download. The universal USB installer. Okay, internal. Okay, your free download manager and install it. Internal. Click on finish. So let me come back to my Chrome browser and let me go back to Google. Then so I'll search universal USB install. I think I have the option here. If when you say you just have to type the rest, namely the universal USB installer. Let me pick the first option. Now, you don't do no some count. You don't do every day. Now carry Windows now. So website might be every. say scroll back down, go home download Universal USB installer. Click on the download. When I started download, I say, you see, I don't do I can't Windows. Windows we call getintopc.com. You call getintopc.com. Now you do a search bar. Let's search for Windows 10. Let's search for Windows 10. Okay, so Windows 10. Okay, we have Windows 10 Pro with Microsoft Office 2001. Okay, I think it's the first option really cool because you paid it already now. Microsoft Office room. I mean, Excel and PowerPoint and because say I answer and I see you could do the one without Microsoft Office. Now we also could download Microsoft Office. No, so I can't. As I say, I'm moving fan channels in case I make us faster. Or until I prefer say we download the first option or Windows 10 with Office. Okay. Let's see. But it could be page now you can read more about this particular Windows now. You can read more about it. That's some of the views now. Okay, into now. You see download what I say 64-bit now. Just click on the download. Then we will just wait. We just wait for the download to start. But one thing they say, if the download starter automatically sometimes no, if you are lucky, it can pick from the free download manager that you installed now. Sometimes downloads need start here. See we are starting here now. Free download manager need to make catch download, not download from straight amount. And we are signing away like okay. But if say a download from the browser here, now you internet. First of all, pause the download. Now black top I see these three icons now. About downloads. So about downloads click on this link, right click on this link and click on copy link address. Now minimize the browser now. If say free download manager in BA, one can say be the icon I say will be not click on the plus icon, not click on the plus. Automatically now, I bet catch a link near copy, download link near copy. So in case I catch now, you just click and paste it. But I already not catching that until I click on OK. Now I'm trying another query kakra. So the query we are not going to download. Until now, you started your download your Windows 10 no. Until you can download na complete. Say complete here. Now you are so and that one will be in the part 2 of this video. So until the part 2, never start say I copy Windows now from the computer to the pen drive with the USB installer. No. Then after that, now you start the installation of our PC. So I'm gonna be how I'll be partition of VBA. And so guys, we shall meet in the next video. By the way, I'm Chris Oku.